Salam Namaste everyone. So I promised you all a video at 8 p.m. of yesterday, but I could not deliver it because I was a little busy with the clients. So let's see what is an iPhone memory upgrade repair or service, how it is done, can you get it done or not, what are the pros and cons of that. So let's start. So as we see, this guy is preparing the motherboard for the NAND upgrade repair. So now he's removing the gaskets and then covering it with the thermal tape so that the components around the NAND would not be impacted. And now he started giving it that hot air which is somewhere around 450 degrees or 350 to 400 degrees, casual usually. So that would impact motherboard a lot because your motherboard layers would be heated you know to such great temperatures, which is not recommended at all. And now they use a knife to pry off the NAND, which is again pushing the small components which are surrounding it and disturbing them. And now he's showing the thickness of the motherboard, I mean the NAND, comparing it with the older one, which is less thicker. Let's take this iPhone 12 motherboard as an example. See, from iPhone 10, majority of the iPhone motherboards are sandwich motherboards. So what is sandwich motherboard? Let's learn about this. So sandwich motherboard is something, the processor and the RAM stuff would be on the upper layer, and the RF radio frequency stuff would be on the lower board. And there is a joining section, as you can see, this is an brass and connectivity section, connectivity connectivity frame, which will join both of these. And that is when you'll have problems when your phone is dropped like this. Let's say if you're dropping your phone like this connectivity is lost. That is when you'll have the restart problem and other stuff. So if these are fixed back, you're good to go. So let's see, if your NAND is being replaced on this iPhone 12 motherboard, what are the side effects going to occur, and how it will impact your storage, and I mean phone in short. So let's see, we'll put it under microscope. This microscope is connected to our laptop. So yeah, I'll show it on laptop screen. So guys, as you can see, there are these minute components which will definitely get impacted no matter how good hand skill that technician has, because they बहुत सारे उड़ जाते हैं यार, they get out of the this section and all stuff. They need to be replaced with the same value of the components again, which is highly impossible, I would say, unless they have some other motherboard with the same values, I mean with the same components. So ठीक है, let's say, let's assume that they've replaced it again. The glue here is for a reason. Why do you want to disturb it, and this for the sake of that memory upgrade? Let's say if this motherboard is falling like this. Let's assume that this is fixed into an iPhone casing, and it fell down like this. So see, the glue here would you know take the impact. It would not get that, I mean, it would not allow that component to come off. So that is the reason the glue is there. So if you're getting this NAND upgrade, this is an impact. And the other impact which is unseen is, see, there isn't CPU directly beneath your NAND almost. Okay, so this is also getting impacted because the heat temperature what they use is somewhere around 350 400 degrees. So it is quite a lot for your motherboard to survive. Your motherboard, this thin layer, has 13 layers within, and they all have some tracks. Tracks is nothing but connectivity, signals, and power. There is a lot in this tiny motherboard. There is a whole world, I would say. So someone has already tried to repair this motherboard. They try to pry the CPU. So this is what happens when you try to get the memory upgrade repair service. So I would highly not recommend you all to choose the memory upgrade service, because your phone is precious, your data is precious. Let's assume you got this done and your phone fell down from a height of 2 or 3 feet. It may kill your memory, it may kill your CPU, because see, the after effects of this memory upgrade repair are horrible and no one would be able to predict it. So do not fall for that fancy trap of memory upgrade from 64 GB to 1 TB. Be careful. So that's all for today. I'll try to keep posting more videos. Thanks a lot. Keep watching, and do let us know in comments about your feedback, and how and what needs to be improved in our videos. I know we are slow and we are yet yet to improve a lot. Boss, we are still learning. We need your support and inputs. Thanks a lot. Bye.